what would you do with it?
Would you spend it on food? Would you spend it on ads, clothes? What is it? I'm genuinely interested. Make sure you comment below what you would buy with $100. And the reason I'm interested is because over the next 10 days, I'm going to be giving away $100 every single day here on this channel. So $1,000 total. Now, why am I doing this? Every day I get tons of messages. People ask me for money. Literally 5 minutes before I recorded this, I got an email. This guy said, hey, I'm from a poor country. Can you please send me money? People ask me for $100, $100,000, all this random stuff, but never offering me anything in return. So I figured I would please both sides of this by giving away $100 every single day. And to keep it simple, just go to the top link in the description and you'll see exactly how to enter this giveaway. It's completely free, no opt-in, you don't have to put your email, none of that stuff. It is completely free. Really, the only thing I'm getting out of this is engagement. You're gonna be liking and commenting on my videos. So if you already do that, then you're in good shape. I mean, you already have a good chance of being one of the 10 winners. So I'm doing this as a trial run. Maybe I'll do it longer, maybe I'll do it another time, maybe I'll send more money. Who knows what's gonna happen? Honestly, only time will tell. But from the perspective of someone that teaches business, the number one thing I see holding people back is taking action. Now, obviously it seems cliche, but it's serious. People are scared to take action, or most of the time they're just lazy and have, some inclination of thought that they're gonna not succeed with it. And because of that, they never take action. But if you never take action, you'll never know what that end result is. But a lot of people's minds are just trained and wired to think about a negative outcome instead of a positive outcome. So I don't know why you wouldn't take advantage of this, because I post videos every single day here offering value, as well as you can win some money. Of course, not everybody's gonna win. Only one person's gonna win. Well, 10 people, because one every single day. But if you want to be one of those winners, just take action. There's a top link in the description. Go check out the exact specific rules on how you can enter. So check it out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, as well as what you would spend the money on. If you want $100, what would you spend it on? Because $100 is actually pretty easy to spend, but also it's pretty hard to make for some people. Because one of the big lessons I've learned as far as making money so far at a young age is that it is a lot easier to spend money compared to making money. I can go out and buy a car, I can go out and buy a camera, anything, and spend that money within minutes. But making $100 for some people takes, like 10 hours worth of work. So I don't know why you wouldn't take the opportunity to spend about 60 seconds of your time for the opportunity to win $100. So I will see you on tomorrow's video. At the beginning, I will announce the winner as well as provide some value. Actually, I have a pretty exciting video coming out tomorrow about the Miami mentorship giveaway I just had. So see you tomorrow. Peace.